Jasseem Dentures Review 2025 Honest Overview and What to Know Before You Buy. Most people get this wrong by assuming all online denture providers are the same. The surprising truth is that Jasseem Dentures offers unique advantages, but there are a few things you need to know before buying. First, the ordering process is straightforward. You provide impressions or measurements, and the lab crafts dentures designed to fit comfortably. They use high-quality materials for natural look and durability, which is a key factor for long-term satisfaction. You won't believe how much of a difference proper alignment and material quality can make in everyday comfort. Pricing is competitive compared to traditional dental offices, but keep in mind that shipping and adjustments may add extra costs. Unlike in-office fittings, online denture services may require minor modifications at home or with a local dentist for the perfect fit. Customer reviews are mixed but lean positive. Many users praise the ease of ordering, fast delivery, and realistic appearance. Some note that initial adjustments can take time, so patience is necessary. The surprising truth is that even with top-notch dentures, a few tweaks are normal to achieve complete comfort. Before ordering, check your dental history and ensure your gums and mouth are healthy. This prevents complications and ensures the best results. Also review the return and adjustment policy thoroughly to avoid surprises. In conclusion, Jasseem Dentures is a solid option for affordable, quality dentures delivered to your door. Focus on understanding fit requirements, potential adjustments and policies. With proper preparation, you can enjoy functional, natural-looking dentures without visiting a dental office.